Hello everybody. Before we get started to today's video, I wanted to share with you guys a mega summer sale that is happening with Lolivefe. They have never done a sale this large before. So if you are looking to get some silicone mats, now is the time to do so. Do not let this sale slip away. You can get a jumbo silicone craft mat and get 2 free. Or you can mix and match the jumbo mat, the petite mat, the big round, small round, and 3D mats. Buy one, get 2 free of equal or lesser value. I mean, this sale is incredible. It lasts 1 week starting today, and you can get the sale by using code JUMBOGO, JUMBOGO. Hello everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me for another video. All right, it is Tuesday, June 3rd. Tomorrow I leave on a jet plane and I'm off to Washington. I'm going out to the Deer Lake retreat in Spokane. I cannot wait to get there and just relax a little bit, but also teach and meet new people and have a great time. I cannot wait. I mean, you can still sign up. I mean, you still have a couple of days before the retreat actually begins. It starts on the 9th on the Friday and goes until the Monday. So I do still have the 2 spots left, so you can still come last minute. So yeah, I can't wait to just go. I cannot wait. It's going to be a long travel day though, and I'm not looking forward to that, with like a layover in Denver, Colorado, I think. So yeah, not looking forward to that. But you know, I can't wait to get there and see Billy and see everybody and have a great time. And then I'm going to come back, and then in July on the 19th, I'm going to be going to Niagara Falls, and I'm going to be teaching in Niagara Falls on the Canadian side. And I'll be teaching, 1 day, but I have 3 classes available. Take 1, take 2, take all 3. If you want to come to Niagara Falls and see me there, then you can email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com and you can get the information for Niagara Falls. All right, dried results. So a lot of people really liked the graphite, and I do too. I just, it was just dominating, but it turned out and dried perfectly, and I'm loving the pearl glacier blue. I really do like the way that turned out, and I'd love to do it again, and this time use a lot more of this, a lot more, but it's perfect. So it is available for purchase. It does need to get a top coat of crystal resin, and then she shall be ready. Today, again, another 12 by 16. All the paintings I've done in my All About the Bay series have been dark colors. Dark green, dark blue, darker purple, very dark green, the red, the brown. I'm just trying to look, the magenta and orange. And I haven't done anything light. And you know what? I was out walking the dogs and it's super hot and sunny out. And I thought, you know what? Let's start doing some really bright colors like lilacs and, soft baby pinks and, those kind of things. Maybe like a really light, well, I did do the turquoise actually. I forgot. I did that one too. The Tiffany blue. But I mean, I'm talking like light colors. I just mixed this and there's a ton of air bubbles in it, but that's okay. That's what the torch is for. So this is actually Ultramarine Violet Light. It's an opaque, and it is by Amsterdam. But what I did was I used very little of it, and then the rest I mixed up with Titanium White by Amsterdam. I lightened the bejeebers out of this guy. So only very little of the actual dark purple. And then the colors, I kind of got the idea off Pinterest, and I'll show you that picture right there, right now. And here are the colors that I chose according to that picture. We've got Permanent Blue Violet by Amsterdam. Then I have Royal Purple by Arteza. And then I have Mauve by Amsterdam Expert Series. Then I've got Permanent Blue Violet Opaque. Again, Amsterdam Expert Series. Then we have Pearl Lilac by Arteza. And then we have Dioxazine Violet by TriArt. So these are the colors. Now, I love how gold looks with purple. I love it. Love, love, love how gold looks with purple. But I didn't want to add gold to it. However, this color here, the Royal Purple by Arteza, you see it? It's got gold shimmer to it. So I figured that would be enough gold in there. Otherwise, I would have put a little gold. But this purple metallic shimmer does have gold hints to it. So this should be interesting. It'll be very interesting to see how that turns out. And so yeah, I wanted to do light colors. I'm gonna do light colors. So I'm gonna flood my canvas and I shall be right back. All right, colors or base is down and the bubbles, lots of bubbles have been popped. So let's get started. There was something I wanted to say and I don't remember what the heck it was. I don't remember what it was, but that's okay because, you know, I got a lot going on tomorrow. Or no, you're watching this on Tuesday, but I'm making this on Monday. But you're watching this on Tuesday, but I have to pack and I have to get ready to go on my trip. I'm so excited to go. Oh, a lot of people have been asking what happened with Lucas and his scooter and if we found it or anything like that. The answer is no. We did not get the scooter back. The scooter is long gone. And would you believe I filed a police report online because that's where they told me I had to do it. And I filed the report and I got an email saying my report has been received and, you know, they assigned a case and that an officer would be in touch with me to discuss what happened. Yeah, I never heard from anyone. Yeah, that's where our lovely tax dollars go. Yeah, didn't hear from anyone. Not a cop, nothing, nobody. So I'm kind of pissed off about that. Like, I didn't have any high hopes that they were going to find his scooter. I really didn't. But that doesn't mean you can just ignore the police report that I filed and do nothing about it. Maybe you're thinking, well, I'm sure the cops have better things to do or are busy or, you know, whatever. Yeah, maybe. But I mean, it's been, what, 2 weeks now since it happened? You mean to tell me not one police officer could reach out to me just to ask me some questions or anything like that? Nope. So the scooter is long gone. We're not getting that back. And yeah, so I had to buy him a new scooter. He did pitch in with some money that he has saved up from, you know, dog sitting, grandma's dog and this and that. Like, he has some money saved up. He doesn't have a job. He's too young for a job still. He is going to start looking for one. But yeah, like, I mean, he did chip in. But it's just disappointing that the police did nothing. Not even, like, reached out to me. Nothing. Zilch. They suck. All right, let's blow this out and see what happens. Wow. Like next to blue, purple is my favorite color next to blue. And this lilac base is so pretty. I mean, this is nice. I love it. Now, I mean, I see the gold, but I don't see the gold. And part of me kind of wishes now I put actual gold in it. Some of you might be screaming, no, it's fine the way it is. And maybe it is. But I mean, wow. So I'm wondering if I want to do some negative space right here. I don't know. What do you think? Just to kind of matchy it with this side. Maybe just a little bit. So I'm just scraping off some of the color and wiping the color off the side because that's super important. And I'm just, since I have so much purple left, I am gonna do some negative space over here, and then we blow it. Just like that. And then we make sure the sides match the top. Make sure the sides don't have any color other than the lilac, just like so. I know you can't see what I just did, but I tell you, you'll see it. Let's see here. A little more negative space there. Oh, it's so pretty. I know my purple lovers are out there. I know. And it's so pretty. Now, I just kind of wish there was a little more gold in it. I do, but I love this color. I have so much left, I'm gonna bottle it. I'm gonna put it in a Lolivefe bottle because I actually don't have a lilac purple. Amsterdam doesn't have lilac, which they do now, and it's on order. I have it coming. I haven't seen it yet, but they do have a lilac now. They do. And I wonder if it's gonna be like this lilac. We'll find out soon enough. So that being said, I am going to fix my edges and I'm gonna bring you guys in for a close-up. Be right back. Alrighty, so before I show you the close-up, don't forget to take your stick and you want to scrape those drips. Do all 4 sides, come back 10 minutes later and do it again. Now you'll notice I did this. I actually scraped off that because it had come over the edge and I kind of didn't like it. And now that I look at this is all over the edge. So yeah, whatever. But I did scrape that and fix the edge. So there she is. And you can see that kind of like pinky which is actually called Mauve by the Expert Series. Now the question is, how much shimmer are we gonna see in this? Because only 2 paints were shimmery. So I'm very curious to see. I could have used Pearl Violet by Amsterdam. Definitely could have used that in there too. But I already had a lot of colors. So, I mean, I really hope the gold kind of comes through on this. We shall see. So let's turn off the lights and see what happens. All right, so the flash is on. It is pretty bright in my studio. I mean, yeah, you can definitely see the gold. But see, there's the gold there. There's definitely gold. But just think how much prettier, or maybe not, depending on your preference, would it be, or would have it been, if I had used 24 karat gold by TriArt. I mean, look, there's definitely gold in there. You can definitely see it. She's there. That's for sure. Yep. So it'll be very interesting to see how this dries. And there you have it, my friends. Would love to know what you guys think about this in the comments below. So do you like the lilac light colored base? I mean, it was either lilac base with all the dark purples, but then I was thinking lilac base with like pastel-y type colors, like light pinks and light purples, and maybe not go the dark purple route. I even thought about lilac base with maybe green. I mean, I don't know. There's so many possibilities with the lilac base. so many. But maybe I'll try again, lilac base, but instead of purples, I do pinks. What do you think about that? Would that look funny? Maybe I'll just do a baby pink, very, very light pale pink. So my cup is empty and I bottled it up. I put it in my Lolivefe bottle. This is why I have spare Lolivefe bottles, because you just never know when you're going to want to bottle up a pretty color. So let me know what you guys think. I'm going to be gone for a week. I do have videos coming up, 2 new videos coming up with styles and things that you've never seen before. So stay tuned for that. All new, 2 new videos of things you have not seen me do on my channel. So that should be very exciting and keep you guys busy for a week while I'm gone. And if you want to come and see me in Niagara Falls, email me. If you want this piece, email me. And yeah, that is it. I'll be back. I'll be posting a lot of photos, reels, stories, videos on my Facebook and Instagram while I'm gone. So if you are on those platforms, you will see a lot of that there. So until I get back, until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.